Welcome back to Reviews. Hey, if you can take a boat that has a little bit of oxidation in it and you can achieve gloss out of that, if you can grind or even wet sand down to brand new fresh gel coat and make a boat look good, if you can get to that point, here's the next step that you haven't tried before. And I know that because, well, I just invented it. Well, I've been working on it for about 10 years, testing it for about 3.5, so I suppose just invented it is a bit of a misnomer. I'm releasing it currently, and one of the things that is really neat is when you do enough work that you can take something like this and turn it into something that somebody actually is proud of and enjoys being in. You can then take the next step by applying a protectant to this that lasts well over a season, and for 3 or 4 months it repels spiders, which currently on the market in the world there's nothing that matches it. After putting in hours and hours of work, giving up weekends, nights, days off, just to watch your boat fade out in the next couple months and watch spiders crawling all over it, pooping all over it, making spider webs all over it. Wouldn't it be nice if your boat had no spiders? And every time you took the canvas off, you didn't have to worry about getting ninja'd by a little spider trying to attack you or freaking out because you're popping a snap off of its house? What about all the spider poop on your vinyl, on your gel coat? All that acidic stuff just sitting there, eating away at your fun toy. Not to mention the fact that if this product does actually last, then it means you won't have to be grinding on your boat for a really long time. As a detailer, somebody who's been doing this for almost 30 years, it's come to my attention that not every product on the market is awesome. Some products are just okay. I've worked really hard to make a product that I feel is awesome. It's something that I use, wanted to use for a long time, and now, well, I can use it. And so can you. So if you're interested at all, check it out. Chelan BDG. You're going to love it. Now, for well over a decade, people have been telling me that none of the stuff that I use is going to last more than a couple weeks, couple months. Unfortunately for them, over the last couple of years, I've been able to demonstrate that this will last for a couple of years. In fact, this boat, I saw it 2.5 years after we had worked on it, looked great. At 3 years, it looked like we had waxed it. You know what I mean? That being said, I wasn't the one maintaining the boat, the owner was. This product that I'm bringing to market is better than what we used on this boat. So if you're interested at all in having something that's brand new, that your boy Lee totally enjoys and uses, and he pretty much puts his name on it, stands behind it, you oughta try this out. It can't hurt. Here's the thing, even if you don't have spiders as a problem, maybe you have ants and gnats. This will actually keep a few of them off too. Anyway, I just wanted to show you what was going on in my life, what's going on in the world of boats, and if you're interested, this is a chance for you to try something that has never been on your boat before. As far as I'm aware, it's the only thing that's ever going to be on your boat after you try it. But that's just me talking. You know how egocentric I am and how big-headed I am. I just like to help people. So for the last couple of years on YouTube, all I've done is just shown you how to do this. Never asked for anything. Not affiliated with any products. I just showed you. So if you need a reason to trust me, maybe that's it. Maybe you can sit back and go, you know what? This guy has never tried to jack me around and I've never caught him lying, so I'm going to give it a shot. That's the kind of response I need. Go get it, man. Get your boat looking ready. Spring's about to hit. It's time to look good. Let me help you do it. Pieces, y'all. And yeah, we didn't touch the interior too much. Not much you can do to that other than rip it out and start over. But that would have been the next step.